Oh, and so we have here your... Oh, this is your GAT-XX370 Boost Raider Gundam. Yeah, it's a Boost Raider. It still has a Raider, but it has so many different kinds of equipment, man. It really has so many kind of equipments. And as you can see, it's a monochromatic box. Yeah, no, it's not my first time to have a monochromatic box from the Premium Bandai. But this is the first Re-1 100 Premium Bandai that I've owned. Yeah, very nice, man. I really like it. And yeah, we have here at the side. And yeah, before that, it's from the Seed Eclipse, okay? It's from the Seed Eclipse manga. Yeah, it's not from the anime. And we can see here, wow, man, it's very, oh, it can transform. And it has a very, very big cannon at the back. Two big cannons at the back. And then it has a very, it has also a very large cannon in the forehead, man. What is that? It's very big, man. And then it has that two big claws. And then it has some axe. Is it an axe or a cannon? Another cannon or a sniper gun, whatever that is it. And then it has a wings. And yeah, it's big. That's why it's very pricey. Yeah. And I would like to open it a little bit because I really want to see it. Ooh, surprise me. Wow. It's big. So, yun ang unboxing, okay? You know what will happen next for this? It will go to my backlog paradise. Oh, there's the manual. And this is the color of our Raider or Boost Raider Gundam. Yeah, it's white. I think it's not white. It's something bluish. And then some yellow and lavender or violet. And wow, man, excited to do this. So we'll have more panel lines for this one because it's on, yeah, it's the light color. So we can do panel lines for this on the light colors. And the yellow ones are also nice, man. The yellow is very, very vivid. The violet is very violet. The violet is very violet. And so much for that. Whew. Same as usual. This kit will have an unleashing. Oh no, we're doing the unleashing already. It will have an unboxing, and then no more speed build and something quick look, because we will go to the Gunpla showcase, because it's my new format again and again. I will really like to